Greetings, the Astro 30 here, and today I'm going to do a little bit of, well, an unboxing and review, I guess, of this Duratech Precision PCB holder with LED magnifier. Basically, you can call it a helping hand where you can have something that holds the circuit board for you, plus gives you a bit of magnification whilst you're soldering small components like including SMD components onto a circuit board. So let's get the box open and see what we've got. Please excuse the mess on the desk. Now, this cost all of about $20 from JayCar. There should be a catalogue number on here. Yeah, right here. It's a TH1987 and it's around about $20. Okay, so just put this box down there on the floor. It's a good place for it. Now, this is our base with a, well, rather crappy looking sponge that you wet to wipe the tip of your soldering iron on. It was stuck down with a bit of double-sided tape, but I think I can come up with something a little bit better than that. There's the soldering iron holder. We've got the bag with what looks like the main alligator clips that hold the circuit board in, and the upright rod that goes in this part down here. That's that part empty. And here is what looks like the magnification part, plus a pair of, well, not a pair but a set of instructions. Well, I don't think it's actually a set of instructions, but more of what it comes with. Okay, it does say here, using hand tools can be dangerous, always take care and keep away from children, wear protective eyewear in work areas at all times, select correct type and size of hand tools for work, and bloody rah. Okay. So, this thing takes AA batteries, which are under this cover, which I've got to figure out how that comes open. There's an on-off switch here on the side. So, just like that. Now, obviously, the AA batteries do not come with it, so I've got to find some. Did I say AA batteries before I meant AAA batteries? I can't remember exactly what I said now. So I'll put that one in first, and then got these two in. Okay, and I'll turn it on. Ooh, that's quite a bluish white light it's given off. Ooh, that's bright. Okay, okay, so that's working. Put the cover back on. Now I've got to figure out how to assemble it, and I'm gone blind. Okay. So here's the base. Turn it around for you guys. There's the base. Just grab all this out of the bag. So it's pretty obvious where this one's going to go. Which way up is not so obvious. So I'll just loosen that off, make sure it's nice and loose and the thread's all the way out the hole. Now I'll do it back up. There we go, and then you can raise and lower this as you want. Now, sorry, this soldering iron stand, well, you can put, it would go over here in this smaller hole. So I'll just undo this screw. There's a larger tapped hole here, and I think I know what that's for. So that holds your soldering iron in place. I'll grab a soldering iron in a minute. Oops. There's this extra piece here with a thread on the end of it, which would thread into this threaded portion. And I'll just use the alligator clip itself to actually turn it in. And it's finger tight, I'll grab a pair of pliers, wrong sort of pliers, but it'll do. Give it a nice little bit of a tighten. Yeah, I'm not sure what that extra clip here is for, but it looks cool. Now, the magnifier, that looks like it's upside down. So I'll put that on that way up. Right at the top. Right, so that's not exactly snapped in place now, it is. So that is pretty much its assembly done. And yeah. Now, where the camera is, I can't actually see anything, so I'm going to move the camera. Okay, so I've got a soldering iron. It's not actually plugged in, but yeah, that's the sort of idea there. So you've got something to put your soldering iron in, and then you just wipe it on your sponge. Of course, you wet the sponge first. Might just twist that off to the left, right rather a bit, just so it's out of the way of these clamps. Now, even with the cord on the floor, it's not dragging this around on the bench, so it's got quite good magnification. And yeah, you put your board in like that. So I'm going to grab a circuit board of some description. Actually, for the way I've got it set up, it's a bit far away from the magnification, but I think the further away it is, the better. Just lower this down a bit. If I lower it right down there, I can see quite a considerable amount. And I have just noticed that there are two joints, not that I can actually see, that's better. There's two joints over here which look rather strange. Looks like it's been overheated when it was soldered. That one doesn't even look like it's soldered at all. That's part of one of the LED 7-segment displays on the other side, but this is quite cool. I can actually see what I'm doing. If I move that again out the way, I can actually see what I'm doing relatively easy, and I can, yeah, get in there. So that's going to come in rather handy. I'm still not sure what you use this extra alligator clip for. It could be, I suppose, for awkward size or really small boards. You can sort of, like, you know, just put it in like that and rotate it anywhere you want and have a good old look. But yeah, for $20 I'm not expecting much, but I am quite impressed with the quality of this, albeit these thumb screws could have been probably a little bit better. But that's it. That's the Duratech PCB holder with LED magnifier. It requires 3 AAA batteries to work, and they're high intensity LEDs, so which would run on around about 3 volt. So with 4.5 volt there, you'd expect it to last quite a fair few hours on one set of batteries. It also depends on the cheapness of your batteries too. If these batteries I got in are Polaroids, which are the cheapest shit batteries you can get, it actually helps to read. In this list of specifications here it says, well, your lens diameter is 90mm, the magnification of the lens is 2 times, and the LEDs, the 2 LEDs, powered by 3 times AAA batteries required, not included. 2 LEDs ensure your project is well lit. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, there it is again, 3 AAA batteries required. This is really badly worded sentence. Powered by 3 AAA batteries required alkaline batteries. Powered by 3 AAA batteries required alkaline batteries. Nice Chinglish. Will typically last about 10 hours. And those for playing along at home, there it is again, the model number, which is actually the JayCar catalogue number 2. So there you go down to your local JayCar electronics store and pick one of these up. And if you're in a different country to me, I'm in Australia, I'm sure you can find something similar or the same product either online or in your local electronics parts supplier. So from the Astro 30 here, I'm wishing you all a Merry Christmas because I probably won't be uploading a video between now and Christmas. I might, I don't know, it depends on whether those kits arrive on time. They probably won't, knowing how Australia Post is. So anyway, this is the Astro 30 saying thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to rate, comment and subscribe below, and you can always follow me on Facebook and Twitter. The links are in the description as usual. Anyway, this is the Astro 30 saying see ya, have a great day.